Ngayong pong araw ay nanguha kami ng loya o di kaya ay sili. Ilan na nga ang nakuha. Oh. So ayan na nga for today's video is manguha kami ng loya para ibenta ng 20 pesos. So ayun lang muna guys. To today's video short vlog. I'm going to help them to harvest some. Oh, look at those orange butterfly. Oh my shit, it's so cute. Look at that, it's a cute butterfly. Orange butterfly. Orange. Oh, a yellow one. Yellow. Ayan. Wow, nag-English pa. Ayan. Oh. Wow.